I ordered the Emeril Power Airfryer 360. They said 7 to 10 days shipping. I got it early. I got it today. I wasn't expecting it till Wednesday. Let's unbox this and see what it looks like. There's a company called TriStar. They make these for everybody. People have complained that they've purchased the Emeril Lagasse unit and didn't get the Emeril unit. I got the Emeril unit because they have his name on this one, so they did remember to put the decal on it. There's the inside. I had problems with their customer service because the dimensions on their website are wrong. This is 19 wide by 11 tall, 15 deep. This looks like the drip tray. That fits in there nice. I have a fish recipe that's really good. You coat the fish with mayonnaise, you put breadcrumbs on it. I normally bake it at 400 for probably 15-20 minutes till the breadcrumbs get crunchy. I'm going to try it in this air fryer tonight and see how it comes out. I've got 2 6-ounce mahi fillets. I've got mayonnaise that I've added redfish seasoning to, blackened seasoning. I'll coat the fish with this and then put the breadcrumbs on it. And I have a bowl of breadcrumbs. These are homemade breadcrumbs. Arnold's Country White bread. Put that bread in a food processor and then put that food processed bread into the oven and toast everything till it comes out a little golden. It's the best breadcrumbs you'll ever have. So I've got those, and I've melted a stick and a half of butter in here for all these breadcrumbs to soak it up, and that's what I'm going to coat the fish with for a breading. Now we're going to put it in an Emeril air fryer and see what happens. All right, let me prep this fish and get it in that fryer. These are the fillets coated with the mayonnaise and have the breadcrumbs on them. Now you just got to transfer them to the fryer rack. All right, that was a success. Now into that fryer. Okay, Emeril says air fry is on level 2 for the tray after I put it. Timer's 15 minutes. Let's see how this goes. Okay, let's see what this looks like. 15 minutes. The fish is at 128. We'll go another 5 minutes. Okay, here we go. All right, timer went off again. Let's check these. All right, that fish is 140. All right, those cooked a total of 20 minutes to like 142. Let's cut them open, see what they look like. That looks pretty good. Wow, that just comes right apart. That came out nice. You can still see moisture coming out of that. They came out really good, and it was really easy. The breadcrumbs are crunchy all the way through. The fish is cooked all the way through. It's still moist. It flakes apart. I was very skeptical at first, but I'm impressed. That does a good job. And I think that oven's rated at 1500 watts, which is a lot cheaper than running the big oven for a couple pieces of fish. While that was air frying at 400 degrees, when I ran my hand underneath the door, the countertop gets a little warmer than I would have expected. I don't know if that door doesn't seal right, but I would not leave that unattended for a slow cooker or something like that. It leaks hot air. It's probably just the way it's made. But the overall results for that fish, that was really good. So I look forward to other items in that thing. We'll have to give it a shot. This has a drip tray under the heating elements, but I opted to put the baking pan in there because this is a lot easier to clean up than it would be to clean all this grease off those heating elements and out of that drip pan and whatever splashed over the sides. The first cook with the Emeril Airfryer 360 without reading the directions, I give a thumbs up. The fish came out really good. I'll see what I do next time. Thanks for watching.